everybody, welcome back to my channel, Lifestyles with Ajike Williams, and as my title says, it is Super Bowl weekend and we are doing wings. We're seasoning up the wings. So I just want to show you how I do my wings, but before we jump in to today's presentation, I want you to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on this video, share out this video, and I love you to love my channel. So guys, we're gonna jump in, get started, and then I'm gonna let you go. So stay for the entire presentation. So here we go. I have some fresh ginger root. Some people don't know what it looks like, but I've already shaved off the skin and have it all clean and ready. And this is fresh garlic. We'll be using fresh garlic, and I'll be showing you how to use a garlic press so that we don't have to worry about chopping it up. Some people don't like the smell, etc. So this is one of the kitchen essentials that you would need to make life a little bit easier in the kitchen. So here we go. I'm just gonna put them over here for now. We just want it to basically have it crushed. This is going to go in the oven, guys, and I will list everything down in the description box about my wings and all the seasoning and so forth. So don't worry, I got your back. So I am a New York Giants fan. However, I am rooting for the underdog, which is the Philadelphia Eagles. I think the Patriots already have 5 Super Bowls. So got nothing against them, but I'm going today, or I should say I'm going for this Super Bowl. I'm going for, as I said, the underdog. So I'm wishing the Eagles all the best. So here we have some lime juice. I love to use lime. You could use lemon, but I'm using lime, and it's basically for the purpose of a marinade. You have a citrus flavoring, which I love, and the next thing, I'm just going to cut into small pieces my ginger. Because guess what? The ginger is going to give it a very tropical flavor and give it a kick. As a matter of fact, my wings are going to be super kicking. So if you're having over friends, family, your husband and his friends down in the man cave, these wings will be super duper for their snacking, or just part of, you know, appetizer for the entire game. Okay, so we have that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, the next thing we're going to be using, now we're going to start adding our seasoning, dried seasoning. So we're using garlic powder. So we're going to just sprinkle. Don't worry about measuring. Sprinkle. Use your eye as discretion. So you want to have everything coated, inner and outer wings. So everybody this weekend is getting ready. They're buying wings, and the price of wings really went up for this weekend. The next thing you're going to be using is Adobo, which is a combination of garlic powder, pepper, and some other flavoring. No MSG though. We don't want to have MSG. That will give a headache to anyone, and you shouldn't have that anyway. MSG. Okay, so there we are with that. Next thing, and we're going to let this marinate in the fridge for about 2 hours, and we will be baking it in the oven at 350 degrees for about an hour and 15 minutes. The next things we're using, guys, is cayenne pepper. Now you're going to use this sparingly, just to give it a little spice, not to make anyone's tongue like, oh, it's so hot. No, we don't want that. We just want it to have a little bit of a spicy flavoring. You know, give it some taste, but not to make everybody wanna, where's the water? Where's the water? Oh my God, where's the water? No, 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 we don't want that. Okay, so that's enough of Mr. Cayenne. So the next thing we're going to be using is Holy Smokes. Now, Holy Smokes, what this is going to do, it's going to give you that smoke flavor, as if you were smoking outside with the charcoal on the grill. So without the smoke and all of that, you're going to have this added to your wings. Don't want to use too much of that either. Next thing we're going to have is our Himayalia Salt. For those of you who follow me on my channel, you know by now I use Himalaya pink salt. So here we go. And it's very coarse, the granules, but that's fine because then you don't have to use a whole lot. There you go. All right. Oh, wrong one. Wrong thing. Doesn't fit. The next thing is black pepper, ground black pepper. You're going to use that. And last but not least is Black Magic Cajun Rub. Now this is awesome. We're not going to use a whole lot, guys, but we're going to use just enough to give our wings some interest. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. These wings are gonna be absolutely awesome sauce. My wings are the bomb.com. Believe me. Okay, so we have all of that. Now what we're going to add is our garlic. And we're going to add our ginger root, fresh ginger root, to give those wings that very tropical flavor. And we have our onions already peeled, chopped, and they've also been seasoned. Excuse me. And so here we go. We're going to just zhuzh everything up, rub everything together, make sure everything gets the spice and the seasoning on it. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take it and put it in the fridge, and we're going to let it marinate for about 2 hours, and then we're going to remove it from the fridge, and we're going to put it in a preheated oven, 350 degrees, and it'll be baking for about a good hour and, as I said, 15 minutes. And I use on the pan grilling spray is what I use, and I've already sprayed my pan. This is the pan that I will be roasting my wings on. So guys, I want to thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn that bell on so that when I upload, you will always get notifications that I'm on. Like this video, and don't forget to comment, because I love to hear from you, your thoughts, what you probably would like to see me do, because this is a lifestyle channel. So I guess that's about it. Have a good day, or a good morning, or a good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are in the world. And until next time, I'm gonna say bye-bye.